Welcome to the Early Learning and the Teaching and Training program at San Angelo ISD, where students prepare for rewarding careers, shaping the future as early childcare providers, administrators, educators, coaches, counselors, and leaders. SAISD offers two programs of study within the education cluster: Early Learning and Teaching and Training. The Early Learning program of study prepares students for roles in preschool and early childhood education. The focus is on nurturing the social, physical, and intellectual development of young children through well-planned activities and lessons.
Students should get involved in this program because as a junior and senior, it is a paid internship.
The Teaching and Training program offers students the opportunity to explore what it means to be an educator. They learn not only how to manage a classroom, but also how to develop a curriculum and cater to different student needs. We focus on both the instructional and administrative sides of education.
Other students should enroll in this course because it sets you up for success and shows you what goes on behind the scenes in teaching. It shows you how to make lesson plans and become a successful teacher.
In this program, students gain real-world experience through internships and classroom observations, helping them understand what it takes to be an effective educator. These experiences allow them to apply their skills and make a real impact.
So for instructional practices and the practicum, you actually get to go onto elementary campuses and work with teachers and work in a classroom with students. So that's the most exciting part of this. The instructional practices part, you actually get to rotate. So you're gonna see about 5 to 6 different campuses and classes and instructors and classrooms, and you're just gonna get a really good feel of what it looks like to be a teacher in different classrooms and on a campus.
I got involved in the coaching program by Miss Rodriguez. She really pushed me to teach and really showed me that I could do what I put my mind to.
Our students can earn certifications that give them a head start in education, whether they go straight into teaching roles or pursue further studies in education.
I will earn an educational aid certification through this program, and while I'm going to college at ASU, I will get a part-time job through SAISD.
Students in our program also have the opportunity to join TAFE, the Texas Association of Future Educators. Through TAFE, students compete in events that showcase their skills, from lesson planning and teaching presentations to educational research and community service.
The organization I'm a part of is TAFE. I'm actually the president, and I went to state for competitions. I gave a 3-minute speech about why I want to be a teacher and the coach that really made me want to be a coach.
The paid internship gave me a chance to work with kids and start my profession in the career I wanted to do. Through the program, they do offer us a job through SAISD after you graduate, and so that's what I did. And now I get to work with kids like I love to do.
So very shortly, we will be having students who I started in principals go all the way through college. We'll be graduating at ASU and will actually be teachers. They will be my colleagues. And so that's not only amazing, they'll also be my alumni at ASU. It fills your heart in a way that you could never know.
The SAISD Teaching and Training program prepares students to lead, inspire, and make a difference. Here, our students are shaping the future, one lesson at a time.